let's open up a brand new Ableton Live project and let's dive into it. In fact, I think I might just do this by hand. Let's go back into the DAW and let's get a little tricky with this guy. So I think I want to do kind of a double time shuffle. Basically, we want 4 notes like this, but it's not going to be straight like that. We're going to take every other one, and we're going to scoot these back. Although we're going to accidentally delete that guy, so let's make all of these guys shorter. And then we're going to highlight these 2 guys, and we're going to scoot them back like this. And then this guy could be an open hat, maybe. Now let's just make sure this sounds tight. Nice. Get a little bit of decapitator. Might even have to kind of bring down these kicks. These kicks are insane. Actually, maybe it is that we need more of that low. But we'll turn it down overall. Watch this. I think this is really what we want to try to do. So I'm thinking like... And this is kind of fun. These drums kind of get switched up over time because this is in a 16-bar loop, but the real like phrasing of this is like in 9 bars basically, or 7 bars actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bars? I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Yeah, it's like, look, 3 bars, 3 bars, 3 bars, 3 bars. Yeah, we're doing 12 basically. So these are like 12-bar verses, right? However you want to structure these, but like, I like how freeform it is, and I think we're gonna keep going on how freeform it is, you know? Yeah. Alright, let's bust out like X-Band. We're kind of going back and forth. Yes, this is what I was hoping for. Oh, just that. But that is going to occur once we bring them back around, right? Yeah, I see. We're just looking for lots of like small details like that. Ooh, just that note. Just that note. Sometimes it's that simple, you know? Like literally, I'm like thumbing through instruments. I'm playing around with lyrics. I'm, you know, if I can get like a really long connected melody, that's great and all. But sometimes it's as simple as just like one note that just sounds so good, that just gels. That's all you need. It's this note right here. Oh, that was really cool just for the bridge section. Oh, man. Yeah. Nice. Wow. Okay. I think that's the beat, guys.